Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. So today I got me a iPhone 13 Pro Max case, and so as you can see right here, this is a pretty big box for the case. Well, the reason why is because it actually comes with a screen protector as well, and so yeah, see it? It's pretty big. Anyway, we're gonna unbox this, let you guys see what this looks like. Should be pretty interesting. Oh, upside down. All right, so anyway, things that comes out of it is actually some installation toolkits. Oh, I forgot to mention, yeah, it does come with these right here. Basically, they are camera lens protector. You see that? Tempered glass camera lens protector, and it comes with two of them. Same thing with the screen protector, which is underneath here. Comes with two of these. Pretty much a piece of glass right here. Yep. Pretty good, right? Yeah, it comes with two of them in case you messed up on installation. Anyway, the installation kit, that's what it's used to install the screen protector right there. All right, next. The most important piece. The case itself. So, got some pretty good camera bump protection right there, I'd say. It's kind of like a frosted glass, if you can see that. Yeah, kind of like a frosted glass right here. Pretty cool. Let's give this a test here. Ooh, the button feels good. After I put this thing on, look at this. The buttons feels really good, by the way. Yeah. Same thing here on this side. Button feels super duper nice. Got nice clearance. Turn on and off the sound right there. Good cutout for the lightning ports. You see how big this is? It's kind of important because I have like thick lightning cords that it's gonna need that kind of clearance. So it's good that it's that big. And then obviously, you know, this is made for iPhone 13 because as you can see, the speaker cutout over here is bigger than that one. Some of the other cases where it says it's iPhone 13 cases was really not because they didn't do the cutout correctly. And so just pay attention to that. iPhone 13 is the one that has these holes in this way, where you see there's 4 holes right here and 5 over there, or 6 over there. So yeah, the cutout's got to be like that accurate. Now camera bump, looks good, looks good. And as I was saying earlier, there is a camera bump protector. So let me see here. I'm going to use one of these installation kit and wipe it down. Go ahead and wipe my, there we go. Here's some wet wipes in the installation kit. Go ahead and just wipe my camera down real quick before I do the installation. So all of that done there. Now is basically a piece of sticker. Okay. There we have it. So this is an actual hole right here for the flash, but everything else is pretty much covered. Yep. So now your entire camera is kind of evened out. Now the case obviously should fit perfectly in here. Yeah, let me see if there's any gap here, if I installed it correctly. Yeah, it's pretty good. Look at that. So now it's kind of plush right in there. So if I were to, drop my phone, the lens is protected. All right, you know what? Let's go ahead and install the screen protector on my phone here. I'm gonna wipe everything down. I can already see that on my dust. Oh, that's a lot of dust. Okay, so I've done as much as I can to make sure that there's no lint or anything on there. Let's go ahead and take this out right here. Please tear off before installation. Okay, so I believe that this is the side, the sticker side with the sticker right here. I believe that is it. So I'm going to go ahead and take this out really quickly, and then let's go ahead and drop that thing on there before any lint gets on it. I put it on there. I'm going to let you see this right here. It's doing its thing. You see that? You see how that's like, I'm not even pressing on it and it just sucks it all in, sealing all the edge off. That's all I'm doing right now. I see one little bubble that I'm just trying to press out. Kind of hard to tell unless you really look at the edge right here. The reason why it doesn't go all the way to the edge right here is because all these cases right here, guys, have, these little corners right here, or these little edge. You don't want it to go all the way to the edge. Okay, so now I got both the screen protector and the camera protectors on there too with this case, and that is a full protection right there. So there you have it. Screen protector along with camera protector and case. All right, guys, that's it right there. Beautiful, full-on protection. And I still got extras, so I can do that to my friends if they have iPhone 13 Pro Max. Anyhow, that's it for me. I'm out of here. Have a good one. Bye-bye.